Oh, hello. You caught me just as I was reading The Secret Baby Room by D.D. Johnston. It's a page-turning mystery suspense thriller. Oh, look, it's priced at a very reasonable £8.99, available from all good bookstores, they say. What an excellent purchase that would be. Yes, today's topic is exposition in dialogue. Exposition in dialogue is when a character says something to inform the reader or the viewer rather than the person they're supposedly talking to. A great example can be found in most James Bond films. In most James Bond films, at some point, the villain will describe his master plan in detail to James Bond.
Your disregard for human life, you must be working for the East.
East, West, just points of the compass, each as stupid as the other. I'm a member of Spectre.
Spectre?
Spectre. Special Executive for Counterintelligence, Terrorism, Revenge, Extortion. The four great cornerstones of power, headed by the greatest brains.
Of course, there's no rational reason to tell your nemesis the intimate details of your criminal conspiracy and your international terrorist organization, but this is information that the viewer needs to know. Exposition can be difficult to avoid in screenwriting because all the story that can't be told visually has to be told either through dialogue or through voiceover. But in prose, there's really no excuse. Take this example from a bad romance novel. "Look, I know I should have invited you to my party," he yelled, "but you hate my parties. You refuse to move in with me. You never want to do anything fun anymore. Ever since you bought that old movie house, you are as outdated as the classic movies you show there. And when it comes to sex, let's not even go there. You never want to try anything new." Well, maybe because I'm tired after running the classic movie theatre all day. Most couples don't need to tell each other where they work. So if you need to tell the reader, the best way to do it is through narration. For instance, his wife, Blefelder, worked in a movie theatre where she screened classic films to small audiences and barely made enough to pay the popcorn seller. Most nights she came home late and tired, and this was, in his opinion, the reason why they'd more or less ceased having sex. Exposition in dialogue is often the result of a show-don't-tell obsession, and if you click here, you will find a simple antidote. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your writing.